Hello, good evening. For today's video, tayo po'y magluluto ng prawns battered with crab paste. So, yung sauce natin ay taba ng palangka. So, ayan o, napakasarap. Tapos, maraming kalamansi. So, this is our dinner for tonight. Prawns battered with crab paste, taba ng talangka. Ang sarap ng amoy. Ito yung tiger prawns. Ayan. Nakakagutom. Ang sarap ng amoy. So, ayan yung dinner natin for tonight. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.